Hello, my name is Gabriel Neal. I'm a seminarian here at the Redemptoris Modern Seminary here in Dundalk. In front of me we have our Christmas crib that we set up for this Christmas season. The tradition of building a Christmas crib started with St. Francis, that he wanted to show the poverty of Jesus Christ entering into humanity, that he took on our own nature. And this Christmas we invite you to come, because Christ is really the light that has entered into the darkness.
The seminary here in Dundalk is a missionary seminary. So far we have ordained 7 priests as well as 1 deacon, and all of these priests are serving in the local parishes, helping in the community to bring Christ here to the people, because he offers us hope and he offers us consolation, knowing that we have a God who knows exactly what it's like to be human, who knows exactly what it's like to share with our problems, share with our difficulties, and to see as well that Christ offers us the opportunity to experience heaven.
So this Christmas, again, Jesus Christ is coming to meet us in our reality, in our concrete situations, in this form of this little baby, in this fragility, to the fragility of our lives, to meet us, to give us this joy, this hope that maybe we don't have, that maybe we have lost. So maybe this year you will have the possibility to receive this joy.
I invite you to visit the crib on Saturday the 7th of December and Saturday the 14th of December between 2 and 5 p.m. to share a moment together, to share the joy of Christmas as well, where we'll be able to sing some carols, have some light refreshments, and experience the love of Christ for us in our lives.